Today, we're showing you the easiest hydroponic system for growing leafy veg, the Kratky method. By the end of this video, you'll have a system that grows lettuce, Swiss chard, celery, or any leafy veg like a professional. You don't even need pumps or fancy equipment. But here's the catch. Step 5 is crucial. Get it wrong, and your plants might not survive. Let's get straight to it. No fluff, no filler. Let's set it up in 5 simple steps. Step 1. First things first. You'll need a 32-litre or about 8-gallon food-safe tub with a lid. This will be the foundation of your hydroponic system. Make sure it's sturdy and ready to hold your leafy greens. Step 2. Next up, it's time to create some space for your plants. Grab your 7.5 centimetre, 3-inch net pots and drill holes in the lid of your tub. Make sure to space them out adequately based on what you're growing. For example, if you're planting lettuce or Swiss chard, they'll need more room than celery. Remember, with the Kratky method, the bottom of the net pot should just touch the nutrient solution. To prevent overfilling, drill a drainage hole to keep things in check. Test the fit of your net pots to ensure they sit snugly. Step 3. Now, let's get those seedlings ready. We're going to mix it up with Swiss chard and celery. Place your seedlings directly into the net pots and add some gravel to secure them. This will help keep them stable as they grow. After that, give them a good watering to kickstart their journey. Step 4. Time to prepare your fertilizer. We're using 10 grams, 0.35 ounces, each of hydroponic NPK, magnesium sulfate, and calcium nitrate. Mix each component separately to avoid any chemical tantrums. Once mixed, add them to your tub and stir well to ensure everything is evenly distributed. Step 5. All right, here comes the most important step, checking your pH and EC. Aim for a pH of 6.5 to 6.8 and an EC of 1,450 to 1,800 microsiemens. This range is ideal for leafy vegetables. If your pH is too low or too high, you'll see poor growth and deficiencies. A high EC can even harm your plants. Use pH up and pH down solutions to adjust as needed. Keep those levels in check, and you're golden. Once everything is set, cover the lid, place your net pots in, and watch your garden grow. As your plants thrive, keep an eye on the EC and pH levels. If the nutrient solution drops, replenish it and address any deficiencies with fertilizer. And there you have it, the simplest hydroponic system for leafy veggies. If you're curious about growing corn or tomatoes using this method, check out the video linked on your screen. Until next time, keep those plants thriving.